Any mention?
My Lord, I'm item number 35, my Lord. I'm for respondent number 2 and 3. I've been recently appointed. If I can pray for some time, my Lord, to clear the matter. 37, my Lord. 37.
37? By whom appointed?
Petitioner, the petitioner.
Appointed by petitioner?
No. I'm for respondent number 2 and 3, my Lord.
What's
No
for
objection.
respondent 5 counts?
On respondent 2 and 3 is whom?
Municipal, my Lord.
5 is?
5 is the promotee.
Is a promotee?
I'm for 3 and 4, my Lord.
No objection?
No objection.
No agency?
No. There is an interim order.
Interim is there, my Lord.
After?
After 3 weeks, my Lord.
3 weeks?
I need to prepare, my Lord. This brief has been given.
Yes, on the prayer of Mr. S.D. Leonard Counsel for respondent number
3 and 4, my Lord.
4, who submits that he just been newly engaged. Let the matter appear after 3 weeks.
Highly request.
Interim order.
Interim order, when he shall continue. Next day.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, a joint prayer for item number 27, Lordship.
37?
27.
Electrocution matter. It's the electrocution matter.
This person, Yarabol, he's the first blade runner.
Yes, my
Before
lord.
that,
Recently, yes, my
part of the
lord.
program. He got 9 lakhs from the Chief Minister for buying his blades. Right?
In fact, yes,
You're aware of that?
No, Lordship. No.
participating in the
Yes.
Paralympics.
Did you Google him? You see, he's the first blade runner.
I will,
You see the
Lordship.
prosthetic runner of South Africa?
I think so. I saw in the newspaper some.
Same,
I didn't
yes.
see the name.
Yes,
Really commendable.
Lordship.
After,
for 2 weeks.
on joint request of the parties, this matter for 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lord.
Commendable, this boy. So think of giving him some more, assistance. So he can
Lordship,
perform.
I'll try
He
to
can
talk
even
to-
go for the Paralympics, I think.
Lordship, I'll try to talk to the Advocate General and
Yes, I mean, he wants to make a special concession.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
Please, Lordship. I'd like to mention item number 26, Lordship. Mr. Shilla still indisposed. Can you allow some time, Lordship?
Now Mr. Shula is going to pay all his salary.
Yes,
Why are you worried? Right?
In fact, the matter will become in focus, Your Lordship.
The proposal is still yet to be.
After 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Apply.
Similar prayer for item 30, Lordship. Mr. Chanda told me to just mention on his behalf. He's indisposed.
Who?
Mr. Chanda, Lordship.
No objection.
After 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship. Obliged.
Yeah.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 29, Lordship. I've already informed the other parties also. 29, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Also, this matter here, the issue is with regards to the changing of the parties are agreed with the changing of the name of the village. 2 villages were bifurcated from the Nginyong village. And
Lordship, I'm not in this matter. Miss P.S. Nombris is there. She's coming. She wants to do hearing. Let it be taken up. She insisted to
Your
take
objection?
it up. Yes, Lordship.
You have objection? We'll take it up.
We'll take it up, Lordship.
You mention when time comes, so you
Yes.
convince her before the matter is up.
Lordship.
okay, obliged, Lordship.
Supplementary list. Item number 1 and 2. What's the
Ma'am, we'll be doing the this case, no? Yeah. Excuse me. My lord, kindly have this matter end of the board, my lord. Kindly have this matter at the end of the board.
Yes.
Kindly have this matter at the end of
Yes,
the board.
why you want to file objections?
My lord, because there is a miscase file in item number 2 regarding stay. So, my lord, Advocate General is here, my lord. He is stuck in the traffic. So, I'm just praying.
He's here.
Oh, my lord.
Yes, what?
Lordship, this is with regard to the admission into the...
1 second. About the item number 1, who's appearing there?
Waiting affidavit from NMC on the National Medical Council. I haven't filed the affidavit.
You are the admitted students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and number 2 is?
Lordship, we had initially...
Who's number 2?
Item number 2, I'm...
Admitted student.
No, Your Lordship. You're not.
Yes. What is this case?
Lordship, while this matter is pending, Your Lordship, the admission process for 25-26 has also started, Your Lordship. So this is what we are trying to bring to Your Lordship's notice, because this will have a serious bearing on the matter, Your Lordship.
Which way serious bearing?
Now, Lordship, what had happened...
What is your case actually?
Lordship, I am one of the candidates who had applied both under the state quota and the management quota, Your Lordship, and qualified for both, Your Lordship. In a nutshell, Your Lordship, candidates who had got scores lower than me in NEET, they have been admitted under the management quota, Your Lordship, and that was set aside by the government, but subsequently by the stay order passed by this Honorable Court, they are continuing. So as on today, Your Lordship will kindly note that there are 150 seats, but 163 students attending classes.
Okay.
So that is one part of it. Now, my case, Your Lordship, is that in the management quota, 4 of them, respondent number 9 to 12, who have scored less than me, admittedly, Lordship, they have been admitted, and by virtue of the stay order, Lordship, they are continuing as on today. So there are
represented today 9 to 13.
That is that item number 1, where 12 of them had come, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Now there is another issue, Your Lordship, because there is a fight between the people who have been admitted under the management quota and state quota. So that is their fight, which is under challenge in the other writ petition. I am on the issue, Your Lordship, that candidates who have scored less than me, Your Lordship, and the criteria for admission in this is the NEET score.
In management quota?
In all the categories, Your Lordship, but specifically management quota. So in that, Lordship, I am...
What is your grievance with the new... Why is saying that think that has a bearing on... your case has a bearing on the new admissions?
Lordship...
In which manner?
Lordship, now...
Yours is regarding which academic year?
Lordship, 24-25.
24, okay.
24-25, because that's the first year this...
okay, now 25-26, you agree.
Lordship.
You don't want... What do you want?
Now, what is going to happen, Your Lordship, if admissions are now again made for this coming year, this will definitely have a bearing on the matter in hand. Why I say, Your Lordship? Initially, Lordship, there are only 150 seats. As on today, 163 students are attending classes. So whichever way the matter is going to be decided is directly going to first of all affect 13 plus 13, 26 students. Their lives in balance, or the careers in balance here.
13 plus 13?
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, it's 150, 160, only 13 extra students.
So it is going to be this 13 or that 13. So 26, I would say, are undecided, Your Lordship. So depending
13 on... additional from state quota were admitted later on.
Lordship, then may I submit, Your Lordship?
What do you want in this case? Well, no, I just want to understand how is your case, which concerns a different academic year, where
Lordship,
you've been deprived of admission in spite of scoring higher marks.
Lordship.
How will it affect the new batch?
No, Lordship. The seats are now, if the admission process is completed and new candidates are admitted, Your Lordship,
yes,
that will have a bearing.
How?
Why? Because now once this matter is decided, Your Lordship, there are several possibilities. One possibility is that 163 will be allowed to continue because they've attended classes for practically 8 months now, Your Lordship.
Okay, then.
So that is one situation, Your Lordship. The other situation is either this 13 will go or that 13 will go.
I'm sorry, I can't get that.
Lordship, that is why I need to open up the case here, Lordship.
One understand there are 150 seats, 13.
Lordship, let me just explain.
If we just hear me out, if I answer correctly.
Lordship.
There are 150 seats altogether.
Lordship.
State quota and management quota, right?
Lordship.
Now admissions were done for 150 seats.
Lordship.
Now the extra 13 seats were done for management quota, which
Lordship,
has been questioned for this course.
Here is a catch, Lordship.
And so the thing is that now, as on date, 163 students pursuing the case. So what you're trying to say is that suppose the case is decided, and 13 are found to be,
Lordship, that 13 part, may I explain, Your Lordship? What had happened, Your Lordship? Under the state quota, there are 64 seats.
Okay.
That is pertinent, Your Lordship. State quota, there are 64 seats, of which Khasi Jaintia is 26, Garos 26, SCOST is 3, and unreserved is 9.
Okay.
Now, when results were declared, Your Lordship, of the 26 Garo seats, 11 did not join. So those seats fell vacant. 11 from the Garos and 2 from the SCOST quota. So that is the 13. Now, because those 13 seats from the state quota had fallen vacant, that was transferred to the management quota.
Okay.
And extra 13 from the management quota was given admission. Now, then there was a difference between USTM and the state regarding this, and the state cancelled the 13 seats given to the management quota. So those 13, Lordship, came before Your Lordship, and after obtaining stay from this Honourable Court, now are continuing.
Okay.
So that's how the 163 comes.
13 I understand, not 26. Yes. Okay, fine. Well, if 64 seats are there, if 64 have been filled in state quota, that remains untouched. It's only that from their own management quota, they've exceeded. That's the only thing.
No, Lordship. The 13 seats from the state quota was given to the management quota.
Right. No,
which fell vacant.
Right. Now, but then the other 13 have been filled again from state quota. Correct. To fill up the 64.
Lordship.
Fine. So now 64 state quota is intact, no quarrel with that.
Plus the 13.
No, 13 the management quota,
Lordship.
which is, they have to answer who are USTM.
Lordship.
Yes.
So that's their
and
fight.
They compensate if the order goes in. That's it. So only 13, only the management quota.
So I am concerned with the 13, Lordship.
With the 30 management quota.
Lordship, because I had qualified under the management quota.
Okay.
Lordship, for respondent number 9 to 12 in my writ petition, Lordship had scored less than me in NEET. So my case before Your Lordship is that I should have been given admission.
Okay, let the admission process go.
No, Lordship, kindly.
The thing is that we'll hear the matter. Meanwhile, keep one management quota seat empty. Yes.
Milord, may I place the facts, Milord? The petitioner is saying petitioner applied for government quota only.
Not management
quota. Kindly, I don't see anything, Milord. Kindly see.
Just one page, if I'm allowed to show. I think my learned friend will not need to argue on this.
Right.
My application form itself says management quota.
Lordship, kindly see what is my counter affidavit and my this how much marks.
Already file a counter that is missing.
I have already filed in this because see, Milord, the issue pertains to
no, not in the miss case. In the main case
only, Milord. In main case, the issue pertains to previous academic year, Milord. Right. And C is the loan candidate, Milord. Right. The already 13 students are there who have been asked to they have been discharged by MCI. They are here and they have got the interim order of this Honourable Court. They are studying. The petitioner has not been admitted. So what petitioner is saying that out of management quota I should get one seat, at best and from previous academic year. Current academic year is entirely different process, my lord. It has nothing to do with her single claim. 13 students are not before your lordship saying that give me opportunity for admission in the current academic year. At best her case, if I take it that she is having higher marks than the person in management quota, at best her case will be for one seat, my lord, and that too creation of one additional seat, my lord. By direction of your lordship, she succeed on merit.
We'll hear the matter then.
Yes, matter. So therefore, it has no bearing because that problem. This has admission. If admissions are stopped, what will happen, Milord?
No, we can't say.
Everything because this current Supreme Court judgment even.
Lordship, may I place this judgment, your Lordship? Yes, he is in a similar situation, dear Lordship.
And just 2 paragraphs of my counter affidavit where what marks the petitioner has secured, Milord.
First, just to answer to my learned friend, your Lordship. Page 25, I had applied under the management quota. This is my application form.
May I submit? Are there subsequent developments here? The seats have been reduced from medical college.
From 150 it has come to 100.
From 150 it was reduced to 100.
So that whether it's 150 or 100 now, the question is the counseling is going on.
So Lordship, measure, that means now
then management seats and government seat will accordingly as per the policy will be adjusted.
No, the thing is that, but management quota should be reduced, not the state quota.
Because, my lord, if the policy is, my lord,
is the government aware of this, that it's reduced?
Yes, the counselling is being conducted by government only.
Yes.
The government, it has to be done by the government only. All.
Lordship, at the most time.
May I please, I appeal for the petitioner.
Yes, which petitioner?
The first matter.
Yes. Yes.
Matter has come to an end because the NC has considered all these facts and imposed the penalty on the student. Taking note of the fact that these students' admissions were
You do one thing, you bring it on record affidavit.
Yes, Mayor.
Whatever has transpired since the matter has been filed, we'll dispose of this miscase. Till final hearing, just keep one seat vacant.
My lord, the only issue is, my lord, your lordship, because the problem is, my lord, if the counselling is over, then that seat can also not be filled, my lord. There are 3 judgments of the Supreme Court on this point.
Okay. Then we'll hear it.
Yes, my lord.
I'm only praying for expeditions. Yes, your lordship.
Kindly hear this matter on Friday.
And NMC should bring it on record, your lordship.
I have a small objection to this case also, yes. If you bring affidavit,
yes. Because my affidavit is already on record.
This application has been filed by the petitioner in LPC number 431/2024 for stay of the current admission process for the academic year 25-26 at PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital. On hearing the council of parties, it appears that there has been certain developments in the main matter itself, which requires expeditious disposal, in as much as counselling is about to commence.
It had already commenced, my lord. One round is already over.
Sorry, this is a matter on Friday.
Obliged, lordship. Lordship, only NMC should bring it on record, lordship, if there is this development has taken place, your lordship.
This item number 1.
They are yet to file an affidavit. Obliged.
Where's Mr. Nath?
No, please, your lordship. Your lordship is not keeping well. I pray that this matter may get.
Just produce the minutes of proceedings.
Yes, your lordship. We have received instruction in conduct, but then we have received instruction, your lordship, but the conducting counsel, Mr. H. Nath, your lordship, want to.
Well, let's see the minutes of proceeding only. We're not asking for Mr. Nath.
I don't have it with me, your lordship.
It's kept in his pocket.
No, your lordship.
Then?
We know, your lordship. He have instruction in this matter, your lordship. He want to submit the instruction himself, your lordship. So kindly accommodate.
No, we don't want instructions. We only want to proceed with Darbar. Now, the only point issue here is one thing, that the NOC was given by the Darbar now. Correct?
Yes, your lordship.
And on the basis NOC had applied, he was granted license, and the time came for him to lift the merchandise, your NOC was revoked.
Yes, your lordship.
Correct? Revoked because on the decision of Darbar again. So, all the court wants to know is, after the proceedings are granted NOC,
yes,
what happened in between and what are the proceedings, the minutes of the other Darbar, on what basis was it revoked?
I take your apologies, your lordship. I have not instructed.
You have not read the minutes?
I have not instructed. I'm not instructed in that. I was just instructed to.
I'm being tactical adjournment.
No, your lordship. Then? He's not keeping well, your lordship, last few days. Any
next
day
Monday.
Next week.
Yes, MS Bisun submits that the conducting counsel HR Nath, who also has custody of the proceedings of Darbar. Oh, no, that was MB the council submits that prays that the matter be adjourned as Mr. H. R. Nath, Conducting Council, we have respondent number 6 is unwell. Release the matter on Monday.
Item number 2.
Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time to file my rejoinder.
How many times you've taken?
This will be my second, Your Lordship.
What rejoinder and contempt?
They have filed a detailed affidavit, Your Lordship, so we'll have to. It's necessary for us to file our rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Yes?
Yeah. It's necessary for us to file our rejoinder, Your Lordship, to their detailed affidavit.
Oh, as regards the same matter?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Lakongli appraised funds allowed for the 2 weeks time to file the joinder. Let him file.
Item number 3.
Your Lordship, in this matter, it's fixed for appearance of respondent number 8.
You have been for number 8.
No, Lordship. We have the state. Let the matter proceed ex parte.
Number 8 is not there. Number 8 is whom?
The private respondent, Lordship.
No, who?
She's the teacher who's working in the sanctioned post, which I'm supposed to be in. She's a terminated teacher, Lordship, but she's still serving in school. Terminated. She's been terminated from her service, but
She's still
continuing service. She's still in service.
Why is not appearing?
If I take your Lordship
My
to
friend has taken fresh steps, I guess.
Otherwise, you take steps. You inform her.
Lordship.
Because if she is still teaching,
yes, she is still teaching.
If she's not heard again, it will be a problem.
Yes. As per your Lordship's order dated 24/10.
Let's take down, though by order dated 7/8/2025, this court has recorded that if the respondent number is not present, the matter is proceed ex parte against the respondent. Today, Mr. K.V. Varasaji Leonard J.A. has submitted that she is a terminated teacher.
Oh, Lord, that is his submission. Our submission that she is
a teacher
still continues.
supporting service. In that view, the matter, the subdivisional education officer office Dadengere, Gargles, bracket respondent number 4, is directed to ensure her appearance on the next date. Fix, yes. Just after 2 weeks. Copy of the order be given to Mr. K.V. Varasaji. That's the only thing. If she's teaching, then we have to hear also.
Item number 4.
But in this matter, my Lord, I'm praying for some time. My Lord, we've just been instructed, my Lord, the petitioner wished to withdraw the case. My Lord. So I've told him to.
Why? He lost faith in you?
Not exactly, my Lord. They seems to have find a middle way, compromised with the petitioner. Perhaps, I do not know, my Lord. Maybe he has lost his.
Well, withdraw then.
Well, we kindly have it next week because, my Lord, or maybe sometime this week itself.
Okay, Mr. S.P. Thapa, Estapa. So, Mr. Please the matter be listed on Friday to be able to complete the instructions. Yes, this is for me.
5.
The 5 and 6 are both connected matters. In fact, there are 2 appeals
Mr.
pending.
The appeals are pending, before
and it is coming on the second.
Before the Honorable Division Bench,
It's coming on the 7th of the next month, 2nd of September. So I pray, my Lord,
as it is submitted that the appeals are pending against the order stated violated. This matter of 2 weeks is not 2 after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
7.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, there was some misunderstanding regarding the last order. Actually, the consignment is yet to be received by the respondent. I have not received a copy. So I'll
consignment
the copies, steps, notice.
They have not been served.
We have served a copy.
To whom?
6, 7.
Item number 7.
7.
Yes.
As per the last order, it was reflected as the respondent has received a copy. Whereas
you have not received.
We have not received, my Lord.
Okay.
So I'll file.
Mr. Today submits that it has been it was incorrectly observed in the order dated 8/8/2025 that the sole respondents has been served. They have been served now.
My Lord, I have to ascertain from the post office.
Prays that he has not yet obtained the status of service. He prays allowed 2 weeks time to obtain status.
Item 8.
Lordship, in this matter, we have just received instruction, Your Lordship, so I'm praying for a week's time, Your Lordship, we'll be filing the affidavit.
What's the matter about?
This is...
As for the research, post of research assistant, Your Lordship, in the planning department.
Lokma matter?
No, Lordship. About selection.
Okay. You are private respondent? MPSC.
MPSC.
2 to
That
4.
means who's appearing for number 1?
Respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
You're a panel advocate.
Yes, Your Lordship.
1. Yes, Mr. Snaitang. Please allow further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. For 1, 2, and 3, huh?
2 to 4.
2 to 100%.
Item number 9.
My lord, this is the written report which has been submitted by the Mondals. I've received it today. I'm supplied with a copy also, my lord. They are not cooperating, in fact, for a demarcation, my lord. Now, this is the order which has been passed, or a report. The third line, my lord, the land claimed by him did not correspond with the patta location, and he was unable to indicate the correct whereabout of his land. He don't know his own land, my lord. How can he demarcate? Now, if they want to challenge, let them challenge this order. This matter can be closed down, my lord.
Where was Hazarika?
Yes, in the other court. Another
where?
court. Courtroom number 3, Your
Call
Lordship.
him. We'll take out some time.
10.
Lordship, item number 10 to 23 are similar matter, Lordship.
10 to 23?
Yes, Lordship. So I'm praying for some more time to file rejoinder, Lordship.
Affidavit has
How many
been
times you've taken?
1 time, sir.
second time, my lord.
Second time.
What rejoinder you want to file? Rejoinder is not by right.
In fact, my lord, in the state affidavit, we have already indicated the date, the time, the amount which they have received the compensation, my lord. In all the 23, all from 10 to 23, my lord.
14 matters.
Where is the
14 matters, my lord.
He's here. He is here.
Is he in court?
No, he's in chamber.
He's in chamber?
Yes, Lordship.
What's he doing?
We have met in division bench, so we are
Preparing for that?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. We'll fix this. We'll file rejoinder within 1 week.
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
No, otherwise we'll fix it for.
They are putting petitioner, Lordship.
Doesn't matter.
2 weeks.
One rejoinder will serve. These things are just kept pending unnecessarily. We'll give you final opportunity of 2 weeks granted to the petitioner to file the affidavit. The matter shall thereafter be listed for hearing as a fixed item.
24.
Yes.
May I please, my lord? Following the revelation by the police officer, we searched the civil courts there and found the case, the title suit and the miss case. Yesterday was the date I have filed the show cause and the WS also. So this is, I want to withdraw this. Need permission to withdraw this.
To withdraw this application and to pursue other remedies.
Obliged.
Matter stands for the withdrawal.
25.
And disposed of.
Please, the Lordship. Lordship, this is a case of that ostracization, my lord. The state respondents were supposed to seek instruction.
What instructions do you have?
Lordship, we've received a detailed report, Lordship, and your Lordship, on perusal of the same, Lordship will be informed that all steps have been taken by the district administration, Lordship.
They refused to register FIR, the case.
No, Lordship, actually it was accepted on the same day and steps have been taken. And Lordship, with regard to the allegation, Lordship, that 2 policemen went at night and all, that was just to inform them that they have to come to the PS on the next day, Lordship. It's a very detailed report, Lordship.
I have not received that report, my lord. So I may be allowed to go through
Lordship,
that report as well.
this report will not be handed to the petitioner. We'll file it by way of an affidavit, Lordship. By way of an affidavit, Lordship, it will be very clear that this court has been misled.
They have not even registered the FIR, my lord.
We'll file the affidavit.
And in other case also, my lord, the similar thing happened. They have not even arrested those people, my lord. And in fact, they were coming up with the plea of section 35 of BNSS, my lord, saying that Arnish Kumar judgment is applicable in that matter. In fact, the police are actually supporting this respondents, my lord. That is the entire difficulty, my lord.
Lordship.
That is not wrong, my lord.
That's very wrong. That's very
That is very wrong on the part of the police personnel, my lord.
Let them come with an affidavit making that statement, Lordship.
One thing, Mr. Momin.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any other dispute between these people in the villages?
No, the whole.
Apart from what you've stated here.
No, my lord.
Usually these things stem from,
Yes, I understand, my lord. No, what has happened?
There might be some other dispute with maybe property, land, cultivation, something else.
No, the
that's
dispute.
Manifesting.
No, the
this
dispute.
kind of thing, sometimes they clothe themselves in
understand, my lord.
avatar and file.
Yes.
It happens all the time. And if there is a dispute, because what happens is this, we are from this state only.
Yes.
So once these things come up, usually to have a more impactful kind of attention.
Yes.
Like a common dispute is given a criminal color. All these things. So whether I hope.
No.
Whether these things, maybe mediation might help also.
Yes, I understand, my lord.
That is one.
No, but what happened, my lord? Initial case, my lord, if lordship is aware. In that other matter, my lord, the house of the petitioner therein, my lord, was dismantled.
That because
they did not participate.
People did not participate in demolition of the house, so they've been ostracized also.
No, they actually what?
That is
yes.
That in the earlier case, what happened was demolishing the other petitioner's house.
Yes.
Because we did not participate in.
No, they did not participate
actually. Violence in demolishing those people's houses. We've been ostracized.
No, they actually sheltered them, my lord. So they after the house was demolished, my lord, they sheltered them.
Filed today by the learned senior government advocate, who submits that all steps in accordance with law have been taken and the FIR has been lodged. Was a case also been registered and the FIR has been filed. As the report appears to be voluminous, the learned senior government advocate is directed to file a same affidavit with advance copies to the counsel of the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship. Lordship, since this matter arises from WPC 25 or 2025.
We'll link it later on.
Lordship.
Let's see.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Hello, my lord.
Second call online.
Yes. Ms. Zarika, why are you doing this? You are obstructing the demarcation and praying for the
No, my lord. It is not the
cost.
No, here, my lord, they have written that.
If you do not cooperate,
no,
the court knows what to do.
We are present there. Police has come, but the private respondents are not present.
Oh, you are obstructing.
No. As per the instruction, I was there.
It is they, my lord.
Now see, according you proceeded to Kamita Para village for demarcation said land and presence of public and Fulbari police staff. During the course of proceedings, the pata holder was requested to show the exact possession of his land. However, he failed to establish or identify the possession as per the records. The land claimed by him did not correspond to pata location and he was unable to indicate the correct whereabouts of his land. In which the above demarcation could not successfully be carried out.
Yes.
So you are?
He is the pata holder, my lord.
He is the pata holder.
He is the
so he didn't show.
I have shown the pata, and in the land, my lord, my house is residential house is there. How they can say that I am could not?
We're not going to go disputed facts.
Now, my lord, if he is aggrieved, my lord, now this order he has to challenge.
See, the thing is that, see your prayer now. Your prayer is limited only to directing the revenue officers to carry demarcation, to punish them if they don't demarcate. Correct? Now they have gone is a new cause of action. You do whatever you will close this petition.
No, my lord. Here, my lord, they have given that. They have already mentioned there is demarcation in view of the above. The demarcation could not successfully carried out, my lord.
Yes.
Because
what direction? What have you prayed for this court? You're confined to your pleadings. Mr.
No, I want
your pleadings are that.
No, my
your
lord.
pleadings are that There's inaction on the part of the authorities.
Yes.
They're not coming to demarcate my land.
Yes.
I am suffering. You've come for this court. This court issued directions that
Yes.
demarcation should be done or redemarcation,
Yes.
as the case may be. We have gone, and this is the outcome. So we will just
there is-
report today. Mr. SD has produced the report of the lot mandals with regard to demarcation stuff. As per the report, which is taken on record, it appears that the demarcation could not be successfully carried out due to certain discrepancies and from the part of the petitioner himself, who could not identify the possession as per the record. Stop. Next paragraph. The writ petition, when it was filed, has only sought for directions to issue to the respondent authorities to demarcate the land of petitioner. Stop. And the grievance was confined to the alleged inaction.
But there is
of the authorities. Stop.
there is no
as
report,
the,
my lord.
as the demarcation has been carried out and notwithstanding the fact not successful, the prayer that petition has since been answered, and the petitioner is left to avail of other remedies in accordance with law.
No, my lord, here this revenue officer also has not passed any order, my lord.
Doesn't matter. He
Hearing?
said direct them to demarcate. They've gone. You've not shown.
Because only for
Please,
this
Mr.
private
don't argue.
respondent, my lord. Master bless my
28.
Lordship, I'm praying if this matter can be taken up on Friday, Lordship.
Hello, the vote. Start, Mr. Chanda.
Lordship, I'm praying, Learned Senior, Mr. Paul is leading in this matter, Lordship. Praying for Friday,
Where is
Lordship.
he?
Lordship, he's out of station, Lordship.
Friday, no.
Next week, Lordship, then subject to your Lordship's convenience.
What remains in this matter?
Lordship, because Lordship, what had happened in this matter is, Lordship, the tender without any cancellation, though I was declared as the L1, Lordship, subsequently they issued another fresh tender, Lordship. Therein they had splitted the works, Lordship. So this is against their own communication, Lordship. And I being the L1, Lordship, I should have otherwise given the tender, Lordship.
You wanted to peruse the documents which they have produced.
Lordship.
What on your perusal? What is the outcome?
Lordship, the respondents, Lordship, had earlier submitted that the work has been completed. Now, Lordship, by virtue of this document, it can be shown that the work is still subsisting, Lordship. It is not completed, Lordship, what they have earlier submitted.
What do you mean the work not completed?
Lordship. It is going on, Lordship, as per the last documents that was produced before this Honorable Court, Lordship.
You can't just keep this matter hanging like this. These are documents you gave last time.
Lordship.
I have not been supplied with a copy, but
you are the one who supplied the copy.
No, they supplied the copies. They wanted to, my lords, take certain instructions from their clients as far as the my lords, matter.
And there was one more issue, Lordship, that they said that there was financial constraints on their part for which they had to withdraw this tender, Lordship. So now, Lordship, we have informed our client, Lordship, some instructions are yet to be taken, Lordship, on that aspect.
See, the thing is, this was last listed on 6th of August.
Lordship.
Now it's 27th.
Lordship.
Yes, 3 weeks time you've given. You could not obtain instructions. Because it's not for hearing, it's for closure. Because
Lordship, the manner in which the tender was cancelled, Lordship, against me is completely arbitrary, Lordship, and against and this being a public tender, Lordship, some kind of accountability should be there on
commercial matters, how the law is developed now.
Lordship.
Then?
But the reasons, Lordship, given by the respondents are totally absurd, Lordship.
As far as our case is concerned, in this matter, what had happened was there was a tender which was issued. Thereafter, my lords, the corporation realized that the tender as it was existing was economically not feasible. Added up with the fact that the petitioner, who is the L1 bidder, was
involved in certain amounts of.
That is again a wrong, incorrect submission.
Let him submit whatever. Yes.
Lordship.
The L1 bidder, my lords, was involved in a previous CID investigation arising out of my own tender. My own officials have a complaint has been lodged. CID investigation is going on. So thereafter, my lords, because of the economic unfeasibility as well as for the reasons the L1 bidder was, my lords, having that kind of background, the corporation decided not to proceed ahead with the matter.
No, but is it correct that you have now, notwithstanding anything else, whether you have refloated the tender a different, in a different...
No, that is incorrect. That is incorrect because certain aspects of the matter, certain aspects of the project were, because it was getting unfeasible, so we decided to do it departmentally. So
you didn't tender at all?
That part, no. So that part was not tendered. A small amount which was left was tendered, and thereafter, my lords, that execution of that contract, that was my submission on the... the execution of the contract has been done, and I have been told that 80% of the contract has been completed by that tenderer. So that is the situation that we are in. Here is an important fact that when they approached your lordship, they concealed, because they approached after 9 months, and they concealed one very important document, which was the return of their bid security amount. So we have
been returned.
No, lordship. Till date we have not received. They say that we have received, but till date, lordship, we have not received the EMD, lordship.
We will give you some reprieve after 2 weeks. Yes. On the request of so-and-so? No? Yes.
29.
Any election matter today? Not today.
There is tomorrow, minutes.
For evidence?
For evidence.
29.
Also, I'm praying for some accommodation also.
Yes, MS Nobri. Do you not hear vehement objections being made on your behalf to adjournment?
Your Lordship, the only thing is that they never informed me beforehand, Your Lordship, on many dates.
The thing is that couldn't
pay her conveyance fee for coming to court. How much you pay her?
Couldn't see her in court, Lordship.
No, Your Lordship, that is not an excuse, Your Lordship.
Other colleagues, Lordship, I've informed.
That's okay.
I've informed her
You
other
take a date.
Oh, Your Lordship, just today here.
Okay, you take it as a fixed date, we'll hear it, no more adjournment. When?
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Fixed date?
Fixed date, Lordship, subject to Lordship.
You argued yourself, Mr. Dakhar. You'll be arguing yourself, I think.
Lordship,
yes?
My senior will be leading this matter. So, after 2 weeks, Lordship, any dates?
Yes, on the premise, Mr. Dakhar, though the same objected to by MS PS we are paying for respondent number
123, Your Lordship.
123 in the interest of justice. Not the on the person, though it's not standing so and so. This is matter after 2 weeks on so and so. Understood. Next date, no further adjournment shall be taken. Otherwise, it's, see, among advocates, the courtesy has to exist. That's the only thing. So we should inform them if you are taking adjournments.
Lordship, next time we'll do the needful.
My Lord, 31 to 35.
Where is ZE? Don't can read.
My Lord, she is before the other court.
She's supposed to come instructions.
My Lord, we have received instruction. She has informed. If Lordship kindly permit us to bring in an additional affidavit, my Lord.
What letters, please, William? Last year?
My Lord, there was some clarification sought, my Lord, on the on annexure 6, my Lord, of the affidavit filed by us, page 7.
You filed additional affidavit?
Yes, my Lord. On that they were required.
One second.
There, the letter by the own department, my Lord, by the Undersecretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Finance Commission, my Lord, Finance Department. For all ad hoc employee, my Lord, the length of service were to be dated. Were to be counted from the date of initial appointment, with their
We have received instruction.
Yes,
We would like to file an affidavit.
MS Arkonli, let it GA submits that they have received instructions with regard to the
clarification, my Lord.
to the letter dated 3rd December 2014, and they pray, which has been brought on record by way of national affidavit by the petitioner. He prays without to present the tariff or the instructions by affidavit. Yes, prayers allowed after
2 weeks.
2 weeks is the yes.
36.
Please, your lordships. I am ready for the hearing.
I'm praying for accommodation, Lordship.
You're praying for KGDC?
No, Lordship, for respondent number 5 and 6.
The private respondents.
Private respondents.
Well, I am otherwise ready. Well, this is with regard to promotion based on merit cum seniority. The crux of the issue here, they have taken into consideration a show cause. No, law. Well,
which department? Oh, this is
KGDC, my lord, this taxation. No, my lord, law is very clear, my lord. Show cause notice can never be taken. That wishes and everything. But anyway, my lord, only thing, my lord, my learned friend will ensure that the next day it is taken up. That they will be here, my lord.
For some accommodation, just a matter of 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
All right. All the time, 11:20 only. Yes. No other hearings. We can make a supplementary list if you want to have some urgent matters. Yes.